Welcome to our exploration of the future of computing. We are entering an era where traditional computers are reaching their limits. New technologies are emerging that will transform how we process information and solve problems. Over the next 11 slides, we will discover emerging technologies and trends that are reshaping the computing landscape. These innovations promise to unlock capabilities once thought impossible. Let's begin our journey into tomorrow's computing world. Quantum computing harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to process information. Unlike traditional computers that use bits which are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in a state called superposition, meaning they can be 0 and 1 simultaneously. Qubits also exhibit entanglement, where they become linked so that measuring one instantly affects the others. These properties allow quantum computers to explore many possibilities at the same time, making them exponentially more powerful for specific types of problems compared to classical computers. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Generative AI systems can create human-like text, images, and code from simple prompts. These large language models learn patterns from vast amounts of data to generate remarkably coherent content. Advanced AI systems now possess reasoning capabilities, allowing them to solve complex multi-step problems. Autonomous AI agents can execute workflows without human intervention, making independent decisions and adapting to changing circumstances. Artificial intelligence is becoming the backbone of modern computing. Edge computing moves data processing closer to where data is generated instead of sending everything to distant data centers. By processing information at the network edge, near devices and sensors, edge computing dramatically reduces latency, enabling real-time responses. This approach also improves security since sensitive data remains local rather than traveling across networks. Additionally, edge computing reduces bandwidth consumption and associated costs. It is especially valuable for applications requiring immediate action like autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and smart healthcare devices. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that makes data tamper-proof. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to previous transactions, creating an immutable chain. The decentralized nature of blockchain means no single authority controls the system. All participants have visibility into transactions, ensuring transparency. These properties make blockchain ideal for secure applications like cryptocurrency, supply chain tracking, and digital ownership verification. Blockchain represents a fundamental shift in how we think about trust in digital systems. 6G represents the next generation of wireless connectivity beyond today's 5G networks. 6G will deliver terabit per second data rates, enabling virtually instantaneous content transfer. It will enable holographic communication, allowing people to interact with three-dimensional representations of each other in real time. 6G networks will provide seamless global coverage, extending connectivity beyond Earth to space-based systems. These capabilities will unlock entirely new categories of applications, from immersive virtual experiences to distributed AI systems operating across continents. The Metaverse represents persistent, interconnected virtual environments where people interact through digital avatars. These immersive spaces go beyond traditional video conferencing by creating true three-dimensional worlds for social interaction, commerce, and entertainment. Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies power the metaverse, providing users with immersive experiences. Blockchain technology enables true digital ownership through tokens and digital assets. The metaverse could reshape how people work, learn, and socialize, creating entirely new economies and business opportunities. As technology advances, so do the threats we face. Artificial intelligence is being weaponized for sophisticated cyberattacks and convincing phishing campaigns. The emergence of quantum computing poses a cryptographic threat since current encryption methods could be broken by quantum computers. Zero-day vulnerabilities continue to emerge, exploiting unknown weaknesses before security patches can be deployed. To combat these threats, new solutions are emerging, including post-quantum encryption methods designed to resist quantum attacks. Artificial intelligence is also being deployed to detect threats in real time. Zero-trust security models are gaining adoption, treating every access request as potentially dangerous. Quantum computing is moving from theory into real-world applications. In pharmaceutical development, quantum computers simulate molecular interactions at speeds impossible for classical computers, accelerating drug discovery timelines from years to months. Financial institutions are exploring quantum algorithms for portfolio optimization and complex risk analysis involving thousands of variables. The energy sector is using quantum simulations to discover new materials for batteries and solar cells, accelerating the transition to renewable energy. These applications represent just the beginning of quantum computing's transformative potential across industries. Despite quantum computing's promise, significant challenges remain. Decoherence is a fundamental problem where qubits lose their quantum properties due to environmental interference and noise, causing errors. Scaling quantum computers from current systems with 200 qubits to millions of qubits while maintaining stability remains an unsolved engineering challenge. The infrastructure required for quantum computing is extremely expensive, requiring specialized cryogenic cooling systems to maintain temperatures near absolute zero. These challenges mean practical, large-scale quantum computers are still years away, but progress is accelerating. Looking ahead, quantum computing is transitioning from laboratories into practical deployment. Within the next 5 to 10 years, we will see early quantum applications in drug discovery, financial modeling, and optimization problems. The industry is focusing on 3 key areas. First, developing quantum error correction techniques to build fault-tolerant systems. Second, developing talent and training the next generation of quantum engineers and programmers. Third, creating hybrid systems that combine quantum and artificial intelligence to achieve capabilities neither technology possesses alone. The future of computing belongs to those who understand and harness these emerging technologies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.